assembly, and this our all part are created in our document file. Now first of all we select the base and drag like this default position. Now going to this assembly, insert component. Second one is our bracket and drag like this. Now going to mat, select this face and this face, make sure this one was in coincident relationship. Okay, select this face and this face, make sure this one was in coincident. Okay, and this hole and this hole, make sure concentric. Now this bracket are perfectly done. Press OK. Now one more time insert component, select the supporting bracket and drag like this. Now going to mat, same as this face and this face. Okay, and this face and this face, make sure coincident but in the reverse direction. See, okay, and this circle and this circle, make sure this one also concentric. Now this our both objects are perfectly placed. Now press OK, select new component, pulley, first of all cross section in part plane, right plane like this. Okay, now going to insert component, select the pulley, select this face and select this face. First of all going to mat, this face are automatically selected, select this face, done. Now this, first of all press OK. Now going to we add one more relation, plane relation coincident. Our first part front plane and our this last part pulley, second last part pulley front plane, make sure this one was in coincident position. Okay and okay. Now see this one rotating perfectly, this pulley rotate perfect. Now cross section hide, cross section on, and see perfectly placed. Now we insert our last component, shaft. Going to mat, select the object outer OD, shaft OD, and this our pulley ID. Make sure both are in concentric. Press OK. Now select this face and select this face and press OK. Now see this our object in are the perfectly placed. Press OK and done. Now do not forget to like video, share with your friends and subscribe channel for this type of more interesting tutorials. Thanks.